Miss Pops Fernandez, do you think a star is born sa katawan ng kahawig mo na si Yaya Dab, aka Maine Mendoza?
Actually, gusto ko siya ma-meet. Hindi ko pa siya na-meet. A lot of people post our pictures together. So I'm more excited to meet her. I think, bibihira lang yung... I don't really follow, sorry, I'm being honest. But I keep hearing about Aldab and si Maine. I think it's... like I said, minsan hindi mo ina-expect pero nangyayari. And because of the clamor and I think the ingay that they create, yes, definitely. I think they even surpassed the becoming a star kasi nga parang napakalaking phenomenon ng pagkaingay nila, di ba? Hindi ina-expect, tapos lumakas ang ingay, sinundan ng mga tao, at sinusundan pa rin. Tapos, yung lahat excited talagang panoorin sila at abangan sila. That's a different kind of instant, kumbaga sa instant noise and pagka-star.
So, are you flattered na masabing magkahawig kayo at pwede kayong maging magkapatid?
Ay, thank you. Akala ko magnanay sasabihin. Siyempre naman, it's always flattering, di ba? When you are being compared to someone. So, yes, of course, I'm flattered.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat, Ate Mercy. Ang